Hey, welcome to the YouTube channel where we're focusing on how to style that scarf in different ways. Well, I'll be showing you now one by two, plus maybe a bonus inside, in between, well, on how to style that scarf in different styles. And as we get into that, make sure that you like this video, give it that thumbs up. Share this video out, leave a comment down below, talk to me, tell me which way was the easiest for you. Well, make sure that you watch this video to the very end so that you do not miss out on any step or bonus tip that I will be giving you. Grab your scarf. Mine is made of different colors. So what you first do is, mine is really long. What you first do is fold it into two, like that, to get it into that size, and then do another fold. But it all depends on the size of your scarf. And then after that, now you can just hold it like that. You're getting my point? You're getting my point? To have something of the sort. Like that. And then after that, this is style number one. Remember, we're styling this scarf in different, it's like the same style but in different ways. So it's upon you to choose the one that works best for you. And also it's a style that can be done by both ladies and gentlemen. You can rock it anywhere for any occasion. So we did like this. You take this side, you take this side, you hold it like this, but then you want to make one side longer than the other one. So one of my sides is longer than the other one, like that. And so I'll have to place it on at the back of my hair like this, with the longer side this side and the shorter side on this side, like this. And then we have something like that. You can actually decide to leave it like that, but that is not the goal. Let your hair be free. If your hair is lying towards the back, and so you do like this. Then this longer side, remember when turning like this is the longer side, this is the shorter side. So once you turn like this, you pick the longer side like this, hold it from there, and then this side you place it there, okay, like that, lie there. And then you see this one is taken towards the back to have something like that. But what if you want this part to be a little bit smaller? Here is where you're getting our first bonus tip. Okay, tip and trick. So remember, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and you can always talk to me about my socials at Wambere Moreen, at Miss Moreen. So you'll take this side that is at the back, and then place it on this shoulder like that. And then you can actually now adjust by just pulling it easily. Don't overdo it, because don't overdo it. And then you have something like that. You have little benda below. So you have something like that. So if you like it to be another bonus tip, I'm telling you guys, this video is full of tips and tips. So don't miss out on any, on how you can make that style even look better, that scarf style to look much better. So you can just decide to pull it where you had folded it, like that. You see? And now you're having something even more creative. Maybe it's getting cold, you decide to, maybe some, you don't like the smell of the surroundings that you have, you do it just like that, okay? So as we go to the next style, guys, there was something that we were talking about in the previous video that I was getting ready for when styling my hair. You should actually go out there and watch that video because we have done so many tutorials on how you can style the scarf, your bandana, your own hair, all that, anything style. We've done so much on that. So I was waiting for that particular thing, and one lesson. You all know by now I love sharing my experience with you. One lesson I learned is in Swahili and Sheng language, it said, kuna shughuli haitakangi mbogi. There are some businesses that you do not have to carry the people who you hang around with. There's some work, or how can I explain this? There's some things that if you want to achieve them, you do not have to carry everyone along. You'll be like, I know right now you're like, yeah, that's true. Others are like, no, you need people. No, I was going out to get something for myself, and guess what? I missed out that opportunity because of going around with the bogi. Sometimes you have to think about yourself. I'm not here to advise you or anything, but I'm just giving you from my own personal experience. Shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. Okay? I know shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. Some businesses you have to go and run them alone, because you're the one who knows what you want. And so, if I had listened to those wise words, I would not have missed out on that opportunity. Because in the process of waiting for the mbogi to come and join me so that we can go together as one thing, made us all to miss out on this opportunity. Okay, we were late, we're not there on time, and mind you, I had actually prepared myself like mapema, like early enough. But anyway, there's no blaming anyone or anything. Just know that maybe some things are just meant to turn out like that. You never know, so you just have to wait patiently. Yeah, but just know shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. But despite that, please share this out, tell your friend to tell friend about this, and yeah, just know shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. Some activities don't need a whole team to be successful. Sometimes you have to work alone. I don't even know why I'm talking about this, but let's get back to the video. So the next style, in which it's the other way in which you can do that particular style is the day I felt bad. Let's focus. You just do the same. You just fold it like that twice, and then like that, to have it in a smaller size, although mine is usually long. Okay, and then like that, now it's small, and then fold it into two like this. So this it's how long it is, like that. What you do is fold it into two to get something like that. Once it's like that, what you do is turn again on your back and place it there, but below your hair. But I want us to do it just so that you can see what I'm actually doing. And then in this space, you put this other side inside like that. And then now you can actually go like that. So to adjust it, you just pull along like that. And this one is actually nice because you can actually choose to put it on the side like that. Yeah, actually it's said to place it at the center. To adjust, you just pull this side out. You see, like this. You see. So if I was to put in a blazer, a coat or something, it would actually be looking amazing and tall and all. So you do like that. Don't tighten a lot. You don't want to yourself. So we have it like that. Shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. Shughuli zingine hazitaki mbogi. So actually, I would prefer it to be a little bit free, like that. For me, that is for me. It's as easy as 1 2 3. Remember to like this video, share it out, tell a friend about this channel, and remember we have done so many tutorials. You can watch my videos after this, and make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you are the VIP of this channel, whereby you can watch any video as the first person anytime I upload it. Okay, yeah. So make sure that you watch my videos right here. If you like this video, motivate me by liking it. You can also talk to me in the comment section. Watch my other videos right here. But yeah, it's cold for me. But still, you can actually do this and vote out the other one. Take it to the back if you want. That is the bonus tip. You can also you can always do it this way, and then one of these ones you flip it at the back. So watch my videos right here. And see you on the next one.